Garden Genie Gloves. Every gardener's nightmare is having those pesky bits of soil and dirt stuck under your nails. Not only do they take ages to clean off, they are also very unattractive when seen in public. The Garden Genie gloves spare you all that agony by providing a set of built-in claws for digging, planting, and raking, giving you fresh, clean hands and fingers you don't need to be ashamed of. It is made from a hardy, high-density rubber with a protective coating that makes it both waterproof, puncture-resistant, and supremely easy to clean. It also protects you from all the dangers associated with clawing around in the dirt, while ensuring that you retain the delicate sense of touch you had with your bare hands. Stikbox. We all hate selfie sticks. Well, we do now since it has become an unfashionable fad in recent times. The Stikbox, on the other hand, is a fresh and exciting way that gives you the opportunity to wield a telescoping 28-inch long selfie stick on the back of your smartphone device. More like a tripod than a selfie stick, this useful device can be shrunk to fit your pocket, giving you all the features of a tripod and selfie stick with less than a third of the size. The Stikbox would always be connected to your device so that you can quickly take the perfect picture when the magical moment arises. And it'll only cost you $44. AquaPaw. Nothing can make dogs more nervous than bath time. If you have ever attempted to scrub up your pooch, you've probably come down to the realization that the water will end up everywhere except the actual dog. The AquaPaw is a brilliant new invention that claims to be the world's first wearable sprayer and scrubber combination that can be turned on and off by simply making a fist. You can see why this would prove extremely useful when bath time comes around. All you need to do is connect the hose to an adapter or shower head and get your pet in place for bath time. You can control the AquaPaw with just one hand, which gives you the opportunity to dedicate your other hand to scrubbing, washing, and drying. You can purchase the AquaPaw at prices starting from $24 US. Tank boat. The tank boat is exactly what it sounds like, an innovative vehicle that carries you through all manner of terrain. Designed to be the ideal form of all-terrain transport, the tank boat can drive you through snow, water, dirt, grass, sand beach, and snowland with equal ease. It works with the aid of a waterproof design, as well as dual-drive pulley, spin-around, and wheel 360-degree steering that gives you complete range of motion wherever you choose to go. It is made from the highest quality ABS material and crafted with a unique design guaranteed to make you the most standout person at any function. It weighs about 1.2 kilograms and comes in a variety of colors. It is combined with perfectly placed LED lights that'll make your driving experience something to remember. In addition to this, it is powered by a 700 mAh nickel-cadmium tank battery, which charges to full capacity in an hour and gives you 15 to 20 minutes of operational time. Nailbots. Introducing the Nailbot, the world's first smartphone nail art painter. This unique device is powered by Prima Donna, a community of dynamic technologists who aim to be creative in all things that they do. It works by printing custom instant nail art directly on your fingernails in just 5 seconds, getting you ready for that bangin' selfie with your BFF in record time. You can print whatever design you want and express your creativity in a unique and truly individual manner. All you need is just a minimum amount of $179 cash to start. Dr. Octopus. If you were a 19-year-old millionaire, what do you think your first purchase will be? Well, if you're anything like Eric Finman, you'd build a robot suit. Finman became popular in internet circles for being one of the Bitcoin millionaires, and he has spent some of his wealth on the development of a robot suit for his friend Aristu Mian. Mian suffers from hypermobility syndrome and has always believed that having his own Dr. Octopus suit would make things a lot easier for him. To help him achieve his dream, Finman put together a team of engineers and made use of 3D printing to create an unusual prosthesis featuring 4 flexible tentacles controlled via rear-mounted microcontrollers and powered by a total of 8 servo motors that will help his friend live out his dreams. Wine cellar. One of the most essential components in any luxury home is a good wine cellar. It is the hallmark of class and serves as an indication that the owner of the home has taste and style. If you do not have a pre-installed wine cellar, then you do not need to panic. British company Spiral Cellars gives you the opportunity to install small cellars in your home at very little cost and with the highest quality. Depending on your requirements, they can create models that have spiral stairs and ordinary stairs, or ones with hidden entrances and glass doors. If you are interested in the service, you need to understand that the installation only takes 9 days, most of which will be spent on the creation of a monolithic concrete structure inside of which the optimal humidity and temperature for storing wine is achieved. The height of this innovative design varies between 2 to 3 meters, and it has the capacity to hold up to 1,900 bottles. EcoRobotix. The EcoRobotix is an all-new invention designed to take all the stress away from weed removal. It functions as an autonomous device which prevents the muscle and bone aches associated with manual weed removal and gives you the pleasure of a well-kept lawn without the back-breaking labor. It is equipped with solar panels which provide full power without the need for electrical sources, and it has been guaranteed to function with high precision and a 90% reduction in herbicides. There you have it, folks, a list of the 8 most insane inventions from all over the world. Which of these inventions did you think were the most insane? Tell us in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time.